Hello my science students. Okay, so here I'm going to start with the next point, and this is the solution for equation in one variable. Solution for equation in one variable. In our previous video we saw what is equation in one variable actually. Am I right? Equation in one variable means, let me remind you, in this process, and I told you yesterday, in this process we have to perform addition, subtraction, division and multiplication together, है ना. By using this same equation we have to perform this four operation together. This is known as equation in one variable. Now how to solve it? See the solution. If the equation is like 2 is to x minus 3 is equal to 3 upon 5 x plus 4. 2 is to x minus 3, this bracket is in multiplication with this 2, is equal to 3 upon 5 x plus 4. Can you see that? This is the plain equation, and this equation is given in a fractional form. है ना? This is RHS and this is LHS. Right hand side, left hand side. Now start to solve it. Okay, to convert this in a equation in one variable, we have to remove this 5, or to take that equation in a plain form or in a simple form, we have to remove this 5. It means we have to divide by 5 to remove this 5. Are you getting me? We have to divide by using 5 to remove this 5 at the RHS or with the LHS too. It means we have to write, see the solution, multiplying both side by 5. Multiplying both side by 5. अब हमें 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है टू द बोथ साइड. सी 2x minus 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 3 upon 5 multiplied by 5x plus 4. x plus 4. Then now see, this 5 gets cancelled. है ना? We have removed this 5 from this denominator. It means what? 2 multiplied by x, that is 2x minus 2 3s are 6 multiplied by 5 is equal to 5 gets cancelled. 3 multiplied by x, that is 3x plus 3 4s are 12. Now see, here I wrote 5 multiplied by 2x. You can write 2x multiplied by 5 as well. So 5 2s are 10x minus 5 6 are 30 is equal to 3x plus 12. 10x minus 30 is equal to 3x plus 12. Now tell me, this is the equation one variable, addition and subtraction is there, है ना. Now what will be the next step? Can you see that this 30 is given with the minus sign? To continue it, we have to take the same number with the opposite sign. Am I right? We saw yesterday this kind of examples. See, adding plus 30 to the both side. Adding plus 30 to the both side. Now how to add it? 10x minus 30 plus 30. This is the left hand side is equal to 3x plus 12 plus 30. This is right hand side. Now minus 30 plus 30 gets cancelled. 10x will be as it is equal to 3x plus 12 plus 30. So 3x will be as it is plus. We can add this 2 because this is normal number. 2 and 3 and 1 4. 42. 10x plus 3x plus 42. Now tell me, what will be our next step? See, here we have done multiplication, here we have done addition. Now subtraction, because we cannot take dividing first, because यहाँ हम कुछ divide नहीं कर सकते. So we have to take subtraction. What we will subtract from here? This is 10x is equal to 3x plus 42. We can subtract minus 3x, है ना. Then write subtract minus 3x from both side. Now how will be our equation? 10x minus 3x is equal to, this is LHS, 3x plus 42 minus 3x. Now what? 10x minus 3x 7x is equal to this plus 3x minus 3x. There is no any sign, means plus is there. So plus 3x and minus 3x gets cancelled. 42 will be as it is. 7x is equal to 42. Now our last step will be division. You can write x here as it is, and 7 just take and denominator with this 42, divide the 42. We can do like this, but better to write dividing 7 by the both side, अब हम 7 डिवाइड करेंगे बोथ साइड से, दैट इज 7x अपॉन 7 है ना, इज इक्वल टू 42 अपॉन 7. This 7 gets cancelled. Your equation will be same as I told you, and 42 upon 7, that is 7 1s are 7, 7 6 are 42. X is equal to 6. So this is the solution for equation in one variable. Hope you understand this. Why this is known as equation one variable? Because in this process we have to perform multiplication, addition, subtraction and division together. That's why this is known as equation in one variable, and this is how we have to solve this. Hope you understand this. So write this example in a notebook.